like the title says, lots of little things have been happening in the hangar. It's a quick update. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Welcome back to the hangar. Been here a couple hours. Haven't filmed a bit of it. It's because it's all little tiny silly things that need to get done. But I figured I'd better bring you guys up to date because I know a lot of you guys are curious. Last time I left you, I had to polish the windshield because there was scratches in it. Well, I bought the polishing wheel and the jeweler's rouge sticks, and I hit the windshield with it, and it worked perfectly. It actually made it very clear. If I spend about 2 more hours on it, I could make it absolutely crystal clear. But it is immensely better than what it was. It was milky and it was scratched up. And when you looked at the windscreen, I held it up to a light. It swirls, and I think, oh, forget it. You know how if you drive into a sun and you got like a dirty windshield and it just flares out and you can't see a darn thing because it's just washed out? Well, that's what would have happened. So I've got that windshield polished, the plexi. Haven't put it together yet, and I'm not mounting it on the airplane yet because I had to make that dashboard brow. And I've got that. The fiberglass is shaped and it's painted now. And I actually went ahead and started working on my doors to get them finished up. And let me show you. First off, let's go over here. Let's do it this way. Okay, dashboard. That's what it looks like. Of course, it'll be like this and folded and curved. And these holes are what's going to hold it on. But it's just hanging there to dry, this flat black. And that, follow me, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be covering that. Actually, it works quite well. I'm very happy with how it fits. And when it's finished, I'll show you again, and you'll be quite happy. And you may have noticed as I was walking that there are the doors. I've painted them, and it's flat black, and it's just drying now. It's fresh paint, and so yeah, that's I'm going to work on that at the same time. The windscreen, well, part of it is sitting over here, part of it's sitting over here, and you can't see it on the camera, I don't think, but it is miles better. There's a little bit of residue left there from the wax, and what I did was I used an angle grinder that has variable speed to it, and I ran it at a slow speed, and I purchased 3 of these polishing wheels. This is the fine polishing wheel, this is medium, and there's a blue one sitting back there that's very coarse. And then of course I've got these Jeweler Rouge. This is the fine, medium, and this one here is very coarse. I only hit it with the medium and then polished it out and it looked really good. I figured, I'm going to try the fine. And it just shined it right up. So yeah, you just spin this. You got to keep it down to about 1,000, 1,500 RPM. Most angle grinders spin at 10,000 RPM. So you need one with variable speed. And bring the speed right down. You don't want to burn your windscreen. And that worked great. That saved me an awful lot. It's improved a lot. I tried the headlight polishing compound first on a small section. Didn't work. And it's like the really expensive one. Didn't work. Works beautiful on headlights. I've used it on headlights. Oh, it got the yellow out of them, and they looked crystal clear from the outside. But since you can't really look through the lens of a headlight, you don't really know what it really looks like. Close up, it looks fine, but on the windscreen, you noticed it, and it was not clear. So going this route, This was the fine buffing wheel with the fine rouge that you turn this thing on, you kind of hit it on there for until you get the green on there, and then just work it back and forth slowly. Don't put a lot of pressure onto it, just a bit. And that worked beautifully. So that's the update for today. Really, really short one. I could almost make this a short. You know, I've got a couple little things that I had to make, like here's a little piece of angle aluminum with nut plate, and what that's going to do is those are going to be fastened onto here, which will make it fasten onto there. And I have to think about that. If I put a dash on there and I have a windshield, what if I have to get into it? What if I've got to remove my panel and that dash is attached to it, and that means I got to get the windshield off in order to get the dash, the panel off. And so I have to sit there and think about it, how I'm going to do that. And I figured it out that some way that I can mount this dashboard so that I can remove it without having to remove the windshield. And when I get to that point, I will show all of you what I've done and bring you up to date. But as for right now, I'm kind of done. At this point, it's just paint drying. So I'm going to clean up the hangar and carry on. Go and have supper. It's late. Yeah, it's already 7:30 in the evening, and I got here at about 1 o'clock. So. Surprising just how long some things take. It really is surprising. So, anyways, thank you very much for all of you guys that are following along and commenting and subscribing. If you followed along to this point, hit that like and hit the subscribe button. Costs you nothing, and yeah, I really appreciate that. And leave a comment behind, and I will give you another update when I have things started to assemble. Maybe I'll record the assembly process of the dashboard, or maybe not. It depends. Recording video takes time, and it almost doubles the amount of time it takes to do something on the airplane, because you're fiddling with cameras at the same time. So, yeah, and I want to get this things done. So, okay, that's it. That's the update. Very short, you know, like 7-8 minute update. Appreciate it all. It's hockey season, so remember, the boys and girls, keep your stick on the ice, and we'll see you again here in the hangar. Bye for now.
Not only hockey season, the weather's actually getting warmer up here. Soon, the airplane will fly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.